guys, I'm Susan, and today I will show you some snap jewelries available in our website. And we have kinds of bracelet, rings, earrings, and pendants. Also, you all can make your own snap jewelries. So, kind of snap jewelry we have. Later I will show you. And snap jewelry we can change every day according to our moods, our different dress. That's why the snap jewelry is so popular and in markets. Okay, now I want to introduce. Okay, now we are already put on my table. This is the kind of the zinc. This is kind of zinc royal snap jewelries, and this too is for alphabets from letter A to Z, and snap jewelries. Okay, this kind of ABCD. Okay, and this is for the kind of some simple flowers, animals, and mixed designs. And the total is about a royal, and puts in my front of them is the rings, different rings. A ring size, base size have the 12 millimeters and 18 millimeters. To kind of also we can make more big millimeters. This is leather bracelets, snap leather bracelet accessories. We also can put different snappers put in this kind of snap accessory. So now we one by one introduce. And this one is the Rhinestone. Okay, Rhinestone B, and with snappers. We have many kinds of letters. So you can, if you buy this, if you buy 26 letters, you can change every day 1 month. Okay. And this one is the antical silver plated alloy, and this also made of the alphabets. This letter Z. Okay, different letters. You can choose. Okay. And this is different simple with some different pictures. Horse. This is the hand. And many kind of difference. So now we can use our ring accessory. We take this one, okay, and we put this edge fits in, and like this. This is for mask, okay, like this. Very beautiful. Okay, now we choose this one, the Rhinestone ring accessory. Okay, we use this Rhinestone ring and put this picture. This is about 4 pictures. Alright, shining rhinestones. Okay, now we also can choose this leather bracelets, black colors, 1 rose, 18-inch, and we put this one inside. Like this, A, B, C, D, O. This is O, okay? Very good shapers. And this one is the accessory is US dollar 1.43, and this is a US dollar 1 piece 0.3, and this is US dollar 0.25, and this is US dollar 0.42. Very cheap price. Okay, you can choose and from our website what